JEECUP result 2023 is expected to be released on 16 August 2023 by the Uttar Pradesh Board of Technical Education. Candidates can search for jeecup.nic.in result 2023 and follow the steps mentioned here to view their UP Polytechnic result 2023. Step 1. Candidates must visit the official website of UPTE. Step 2. Fill in the required information like the roll number and date of birth. Step 3. Verify and click on Submit. Step 4. The JEECUP result 2023 will appear on the screen. Step 5. Download the UP Polytechnic result 2023 and take a printout for future reference. Thank you for watching. For more information on JEECUP 2023 counseling and admission process, click on the link in the description and check out our website at www.getmyuni.com.